So the gel that I'll be using is the Pure O Neat Braid Styling Gel. It is in my storefront to make things easier for you. And these are the Locs that I got. They're the Bobbi Boss new Locs in 1B30 and they are 24 inches. And to wrap around my own hair, I got the Waterway Passion Twist hair in 1B30. Okay, so I'm actually going to part my hair and braid it first. When I do faux locks, I don't braid it all the way. So this is what it looks like. I did 4 at the bottom. Hopefully you can see. So if you've seen my previous video on Passion Twist, you'll know I like to use this chart a lot to map out my parts. It's just really helpful. I use the foundation of it and then I just do my own thing. But the main thing is doing the brick method so that your locks aren't as bulky. So I'm just braiding my hair and then twisting once I feel like I had enough of braiding space for me to crochet the locks in. So this is when my hair was a little more than halfway. Again, your parts don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be tight because when you're wrapping the locks, you're gonna make it as tight as you want it. So here I'm crocheting the locks in. I open the loop and then I put my own hair in the loop to secure it. This is just what's been helpful to me and it doesn't make a weird bump. Then I'm separating the Passion Twist hair a little bit so that it spreads better while I'm wrapping my hair. So I'm starting at the root of my hair and I'm wrapping it as much as I want so that it can be tight, or if you don't want it as tight, you don't have to make it that tight. And then here I'm putting my thumb in to give it that distressed look. I wrap it around on top and then I wrap it at the bottom to give that loop. And then I do that until I run out of the Passion Twist hair. There were some parts of my hair that were longer than one piece of Passion Twist hair, and so I just took another one and I kept wrapping until it was done. And with this style, you don't need to dip it in anything, you just roll it and that's it. With some people I've seen, for them to make it more secure, they use nail glue, but I don't really think that was necessary. My locks didn't unravel or anything, so to end it, I just put mousse on my hair. Okay, so this is my hair a couple days later. Way less bulkier, I feel way better about it. That took me about like a day and some change. Way less time than other styles, but the most time-consuming thing is the parting. I'm telling y'all, if you have someone to do the parting for you, it's gonna take you way less time. Everything else was pretty decent. But yeah, if you have any questions or if you want me to try another style, let me know in the comments below. But I'll see you soon. Bye.